This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bugatti in Emergency Response Liberty County. This iconic vehicle is a symbol of prestige and speed within the game. We will cover the financial requirements, where to find it, and even a clever trick to save a substantial amount of money on your purchase. Getting this car is a major milestone for many players, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To acquire the Bugatti, you will need approximately $1.5 million in-game dollars. This substantial amount can be earned through various activities, including completing jobs, participating in heists, or other money-making methods within Liberty County. Additionally, some players report needing the Exotic Car Dealer Game Pass to access the specific dealership where this high-end vehicle is sold. Once you have the funds, you can head to the Exotic Car Dealership to buy your Bugatti directly. However, a fantastic tip is to drive around the map in public servers. You might discover a Bugatti for sale by owner at a 15% discount, potentially saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars. These deals are rare and temporary, so act fast if you spot one. Remember, purchases only save in public servers. Owning the Bugatti means you'll have one of the fastest cars in Emergency Response Liberty County, capable of reaching speeds over 200 miles per hour. Beyond its impressive performance, it's a true status symbol, granting you bragging rights among other players. Remember to keep some extra cash for repairs and fuel, as maintaining such a high-performance vehicle is essential for continued enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.